Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how to unsubscribe on your OnlyFans. If you are subscribed to any one post or profile on your OnlyFans and now you want to unsubscribe, then this video is the right one for you. Just follow some simple steps that I will show you right now on this video. First of all, go on to any Google browser that you're using and search for onlyfans.com. And then log into your OnlyFans account. After you're logged into your OnlyFans account, go on to the account that you want to unsubscribe from. Here, right now I'm not subscribed to this account, but if I was subscribed to this account, an unsubscribe button will be right here. And if it is there on your screen, you can simply just click on unsubscribe and then you'll be able to unsubscribe from the profile on the OnlyFans. And now you'll be no longer able to get their information, their notifications, or even their posts will be visible to you. And that's how you can unsubscribe to someone that you have previously subscribed on your OnlyFans. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.